All right, so I asked Raymond to present this Envision login was assigned for them as a classwork. Raymond, click your assignment, and then it was there to get. Go ahead. No, just click the. No, not that one. Okay, never mind. It's okay. So you click that one. You select the realize. And then this will let you go to the book and the assignment that I give you. So just take a little while. You log into your RCIS account and just allow it. And then you just choose to pick an icon that you like, whatever you want. You want a monkey, you want a book, pick which one you want. All right. Yes, pick one. You get an English one, choose a language, you're ready to start, let's go. And then there you go. There's just an assignment, click that. And start it. So there are video vocabulary that you could work on. So it depends what assignment is given. So there you go. You could answer those questions. And that's the assignment for today. I mean, it's not due today. It's due on Friday. All right, Raymond, you could close your presentation. Thank you for sharing, Raymond.